Today I decided to feed my craving and make a white sweet potato chicken tender. So first you gotta clean that chicken. I hate that tendon in the chicken tenderloin. You need to remove it as best as you can. Easiest way to remove the tendon is to just grab a hold of it really good and take your knife, press down on it, and pull it out. Try not to completely demolish the chicken tenderloin. You want to try to keep it intact as much as possible. I seasoned it with pepper, salt, a little bit of Tony's, and parsley. Right here we got some white sweet potato, buttermilk, 2 eggs, and then the same seasonings I just went over with you. And what we need to do is go ahead and whip up our sweet potato in our mixer. So I'm using a KitchenAid mixer. I'm starting it out on 1, adding a little bit of buttermilk. That's about a half a cup. But as you go along, you may need a little bit more. Then you want to go ahead and add in your egg yolks. The whole egg, actually. 1 egg at a time. Let it stir. Let it mix in really good. After you've done that, then you want to go ahead and add in our seasoning mix. Parsley, pepper, Tony's, smoked paprika, a little bit of salts. Get it in there good. And keep mixing. It's going to thicken. And so you do want to add a little bit more buttermilk as you go along. I did about 1.5 cups worth of self-rising white lily flour and a half a cup of cornstarch. That's 1.5 cups of white lily self-rising flour and a half a cup of cornstarch. This is kind of like a beer batter without the beer. You want to go ahead and use a fork, dropping your tenderloins inside of the batter, get it coated really well. You can shake off a little excess. It is going to expand once you drop it in oil. So like I said, it's going to have that beer batter texture. It's kind of sweet, kind of savory, and just delicious. You want to keep on coating that chicken, fry it up. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure your grease is about 185 degrees and it's hot, ready to go. I don't use a thermometer. I could tell. Look for the ripples in your grease, and that's how you know it's ready. The grease should kind of be at a low rumble. All right, now we're gonna make a homemade ranch. Today I'm using Duke's mayonnaise. The difference between Duke's and Hellmann's is that Duke's uses egg yolk. Hellmann's uses whole egg. So you can kind of tell the difference in the color of the mayonnaise compared to what you normally would use. We're going to put in about a cup worth of mayonnaise, about a half a cup of buttermilk. Then you want to add in your sour cream. Make sure it's stirred up really well. It's about a half a cup of sour cream. Lots of lemon juice. Salt, pepper, smoked paprika. Added a little bit more Tony's in there as well. And then you want to cap it off and refrigerate it so that when you taste it, all of those ingredients have merged together. And that's it, y'all. This is my recipe on sweet potato chicken tenders. Don't forget the chives. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video. You can watch more videos on my YouTube channel at Chef Ray Cooks 6964 or at Chef Ray Cooks on all social media platforms. See you next week.